Assalamu alaikum. You are watching my channel Nasir Skills Tutorial. Today I will tell you in this video how to add, subtract, multiply and divide number in Excel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get every video. Start from addition. How to add two number or more than two number in Excel. You want to add all these numbers by applying formula. You will press equal sign and then you will write sum, then parenthesis, and select these numbers and close the parenthesis and press enter. You will get result. Similarly, equal sum, parenthesis, select all number, close parenthesis, press enter. You will get all the result. Now you want to add here this into this or this into this. Suppose I want this cell B4 to B10 into C4 to C10. Then I will press this and plus, and then press C4 and press enter. You will get that. Now I want to apply this formula to all of these numbers until this. I will drag simply from cell D4 to D11. See here, you are watching here the right result. Now I want that these number show in center. Then select all these numbers and choose setting from here, anyone. You will see the result. Okay, then we move further. How to take a difference. Suppose here we are seeing one column here and second column here. We want to take difference of column A2 to A8 from B2 to B8. Then simply you will press equal, then press A1 minus O minus and enter. You will get that. Now I want to apply this formula on all these, so I will simply drag it. I will get the result. This is very simple. How to take difference. Now we see how to multiply. Multiplication. I will simply press select this and press steric. We use steric for multiplication. So press enter. I want to apply this on all these, so I will simply drag from this to this. I will get the result. What do we get? I want to divide this on this, so simply press equal. I want to divide 1 on 2. What do we use slash sign. Press enter. I got the result. Now I will drag from top to bottom. This is the result. If you want to round off, then you can use this. You can round according to your choice. Okay, thank you for watching my video. We will meet in another video with a good content. Thank you so much. Bye bye.